Hi. If we want to know an exact measurement of how many garbage ends up here, basically it would be impossible. So that is something really concerning. Out of 1.3 billion tons of household waste are generated every year, but only about 300 million tons end up in dump sites. So the thinking is, what happened on with the rest? All living things depends on a healthy life, but this will be able if it is still existing. Pollution, diseases, dirty water.
You can put many stuff on the machine. The machine accepts bottles, plastic bags, cartoons, cigarette ends, and people are actually gonna get rewarded for not throwing trash in the street. Trash placed in these machines will be sent to international recycling organizations. These organizations will do products like organically, like clothes or notebooks or books, and these money earned will be used to the preservation of animals or oceans or all type of environmentally stuff. People will get these little coupons you can exchange at the Oxxo store, 7-Eleven, or even better, at the local stores to support Mexican economy.
Oxxo will also help providing 50% of the coupons given in the machines.
This realizes non-violent actions to denunciate the threats to the environment and to pressure companies and governments to adopt solutions that are essential to the green and Pacific future.
Greenpeace Mexico is the one who came up with this project. This project is going to be mostly sponsored by donations to Greenpeace Mexico, and Oxxo will also help providing 50% of the coupons given in the machines. This project is mostly for the low-income colonies or center squares. Colonies such as San Miguel, La Arboleda, and squares like San Juan de Dios, Fuente de los Leones, and others. The reverse vending machine project will start as an experiment, and if it works, Greenpeace will put others in different colonies with the first amount of money earned after recycling products. 5 reverse vending machines per colony or square.